Hello everyone, hello my money friends, welcome back to the channel. Dunk here from Dunk's Money. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, and thank you for all the liking and commenting on my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dunk. I'm from Scotland, I'm an entrepreneur and then I'm an investor. I'm really interested in finance, and this is my YouTube channel where I will share stocks and shares sorts of tips, financial issues and other sort of money matters. I'll be posting videos here. So make sure to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos, and I hope that you will enjoy them. I started off in the world of finance about five years ago or so, and I understand that it can be quite confusing at first, but don't worry, you will get there. Keep watching the videos and watch other folk as well, and you'll learn lots more about finance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. What's happening YouTube? Today I'm going to do an update on my Plum investments. Plum is a money app which I've used now for about maybe 4 months or so. Obviously with the whole coronavirus thing, my Plum investments have been affected. But let's have a look inside the app and see how my Plum is getting on. Cheers. So this is me inside the money app Plum. You got to remember I did a video about 3 months ago when I started using Plum. Obviously I've saved a bit more money since then. This is my current investments. As you can see, I'm minus £14.73. Prior to the lockdown, I was up quite a bit, about £31 or so, which it's not exactly amazing, but it's better than nothing, better than what I've got in a savings account anyway. As you can see with Plum, you've got your graph here, which is quite cool. Shows you at different dates how much money you have now while you were doing, and if you're getting a return. I've got mine in a general investment account because I've already got a stocks and shares ISA, which I'm currently using, and I've got it set up so that it still is splitting half of my savings, automatic savings, into rising stars and tech giants. So that's what I quite like. Obviously my tech giants are up, but it's the rising stars that have brought me down, but it's fine. I'm fine. As you know, with shares and investing, it is a waiting game. These are obviously the different fund types that you can use. I'm quite happy with my fund. So yeah, that's the latest update. Hopefully we'll get back up to figures that I was at before, back into the positive soon. But we'll see what happens with new news regarding the coronavirus outbreak. Oh, sorry, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that video there looking inside the app Plum. Obviously, as you can see, my investments have dropped, but that is obviously due to the current coronavirus situation, and they are rebounding, so I'm waiting to see if they'll get back up to where they were before. I use Plum very occasionally. It rounds up money it thinks that I can afford to save, depending on what level I set it to. Setting it to a shy level or beast level, it'll save more at beast than it will at shy. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep using Plum because it is a handy wee app. I do like it. It takes a lot of work away from me in terms of investing on trading apps. So yeah, I think I will keep Plum. So I really hope you enjoyed that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, and please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my latest videos. All the best guys. I'm Dunk and I love money, so should you.